Alright, we're doing a video on the starter replacement for a 91 Corolla. The years that it works on is from 88 to 91. So if you come over here, look right there, the air filter box is gone, the air intake. You got to take the top end off with the hose clamp, undo that, then undo your clips, and then just pulls it right off. Take your air filter out. And then you've got three 12mm bolts that are right there. Use a socket and an extension to pull those out. Then right under here, that bottom hole is right where there's a bracket. It's a metal bracket that holds this main wiring harness right here for all your power. And it is right in the way of this bolt hole, or this bolt, which is a 14mm bolt that goes to the top end of your starter. So once you get that bracket out of the way, take your 14mm and an extension, and it helps to have a wobble socket, and break it loose, and it is threaded to the inside of your starter. So that's a plain hole here. If you come over here to the starter, it is threaded into the starter. So you come, the bolt comes through here and then locks it down that way. Then underneath, you got to pull your inner fender off, and it helps you to access the bolt on the underside, which is kind of a pain to get to. It's a 14mm bolt also. I'd show you that, but you wouldn't be able to really tell where it's at, just simply because there's so many things into there. And then a 12mm socket to get your battery disconnect off. And then you've got a little clip. Just take a screwdriver and carefully pry it, because if it's as old as this one is, the plastic gets kind of brittle. Right here is where you have to pull your starter out, and it is a engineer's, I don't know, nightmare, or whatever you want to call it, because you got to twist it and turn it and tweak it and turn it upside down and flip it over just to get the stupid thing out. But you can't, that's the only way to get it out. You can't drop it from the other side, and you can't pull it from that side. So you got to pull it out of this side. And once you get it out, you're where I'm at, and I will start putting this one in, or put it all the way in and let you know how it goes.